Welcome to CODE-exa. In this video, you'll learn how to start coding in Python from scratch, even if you've never written a single line of code before. We'll install Python, set up your coding environment, and write your very first program. So let's begin. What is Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It's beginner-friendly, powerful, and used in almost every tech field, from artificial intelligence to web development and data science. The best part? Python's simple syntax makes it easier for you to focus on learning the concepts rather than struggling with complicated code. First, let's install Python. Open your browser and go to python.org. Click on Downloads, then choose the version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the file is downloaded, open it and make sure you tick the box that says Add Python to Path before clicking Install. This step is very important, so don't skip it. When the installation is complete, you'll have Python ready on your computer. Python comes with a simple built-in editor called idle, which works fine for beginners. But I recommend using Visual Studio Code for a better experience. Go to code.visualstudio.com, download the installer, and follow the steps. Once installed, open VS Code. Click the extensions icon on the left, search for Python, and install the official Python extension. Open VS Code and go to Extensions and type Python in the search bar and click on the Python extension pack provided by Microsoft for a trusted source. Now, let's write your first Python program. Open VS Code and create a new file called hello.py. Inside it, type print hello world. To run it, right-click your mouse, and there you can see Run Python. Click on that, and click Run Python in Terminal. Terminal in VS Code and type python hello.py. You should see the text hello world appear in your terminal. Congratulations, you just written and executed your very first Python program. In the next lesson, we'll explore variables and data types, the building blocks of Python programming. Make sure you subscribe to CODE-exa and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with friends who want to learn Python. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 2.